On arrival, I found this rabbit against a fence line at 70 metres. Straight down and a lovely clean shot. Nice to get underway. Managed to send a few scarper in back to their warrens though. Shortly after, this rabbit was sat nice and proud ready for the shot. Unfortunately hitting slightly low just above the shoulder. All the others, as you'll see, are bang on, so maybe just a flyer. I moved round about 20 minutes later and I get a lovely one at 70 metres and a little pan to my right to follow up to get a nice little double. Touch of holdover, just a smidge, just to compensate for any more ground. Straight down and 2 more in the bag. Very happy to have me impact 2-2 slugger back.
The impact is back.
I spot this one at 103 metres, easily done with the impact. I would have got closer, but with the full moon it was very hard to get stalked in as close as I would have liked. I got him after a nice wobble on my knee. It's a shooting principle that I need to practice a lot more and get off the bipod as much. I had one last scan before I packed up and I spotted this one at 95 metres. Lovely clean headshot and the rabbit was down. All in all, a good night.
Lovely shot. 95 metres that one. Beautiful.
Not a massive bag, but an enjoyable session. The full moon putting a stop to most of the rabbits coming out, and it was very hard to get close. Thanks for watching, guys.